Hello friends, today we will learn what is Python enumerate function, how it works. Enumerate function will returns a enumerate object, enumerate object, which means it gives an index to the data structures like list, dictionaries, and a tuple as we want. Indexing of these data structures will start from the number which we pass as a second argument to this enumerate function. So let's see the syntax for this enumerate function, which is enumerate, and then we will take enumerate will take two parameters. As first parameter is a sequence of elements, which means sequence which is iterable. It can be list, dictionary, and tuple, etc. data structure. And second argument is the start index for this function. If we write start as any number, means 9, 10, then this sequence indexing will start from this start number. This start number is an optional number. We will not give it, we will not pass it as an argument. It will default its default value will be 0. Default value will be 0, which means its indexing starts from 0, and if we give any another number other than 0, the indexing will start from that particular number. Now let's take a simple example for enumerate function. Let's write here example. First let's comment out this. I create a list as list is equals to integer numbers like 1, 2, and 3. Now I am creating a function, a variable as a result, in which I will store this list as enumerate function, enumerate, and passing this list as first argument to this function as a list, and second argument will be optional, so I will not giving it. So indexing will be starts from 0. Now I am checking the indexing of this list. So let's use for loop to iterate the objects or items in this list. So use for loop for index in result. It means index all these items in the results, enumerate items. So let's print this index. It will give us output as 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, which means 0, 1, and this 2 means index will start from 0. As I say previously, we have not given a second argument as start to this enumerate function, so its default value is 0 and it will starts from 0. If I will give here 10 as a second argument, then let's see what will be the output. It will start from 10, 11, 12, because I will give their start as a second argument. So indexing of these elements will be starts from 10. So thank you friends for watching this video.